select Topaz like quality, effects, video effects, Sharpen.
I'm a friend of Sierra Connor.
Till the end. Object all, adjust, blur,
I'm a friend of
sharpen 35,
I'm a friend of Sierra Connor.
filter to 10.
I'm a friend of Sierra.
Then we go again to video effects, shows up.
I'm a friend of Sierra Connor.
Then we again put it to the extent, object all, adjust, blurs.
I'm a friend of Sierra Connor.
Now we put sharpen to 8,
I'm a friend of Sierra Connor.
filter to 8.
I'm a friend of Sierra Connor. I was told that I'm a friend
See
of
the
Sierra
difference for
Connor.
yourself.
I was told that she's here. Could I see her, please?
No, can't see her. She's making a statement.
Where is she?
Look, it may take a while. I want to wait. There's a bench over there.
I'll be back.